Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can delete currency pairs on MetaTrader 4 app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 app. Then after that, make sure you are in codes. So just click on this icon here. After that, go to the top right corner and click on the pen. Now, as you can see here, we have a trash icon. Click on it and now choose the pair you want to delete. So let's say, for example, I want to delete USD versus Swiss franc, this one. You can also delete multiple currencies, so delete also this one. And after you complete your selection, just click on the trash icon. And that's it. So if you search for the USD Swiss, you won't find it. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.